Hello, good day, everybody. I hope you had already seen my previous video about the meaning of the nine diamonds card in combination with other cards, and you had learned a lot about the card meaning. Okay, now this time I am um, learning you about the meaning of thin diamonds card with combination to other cards. Okay, enjoy. Now, um, I know that you had learned a lot already about the meaning of cards from all the cards of diamonds, uh, hearts, clover, and spades. I made already a video about uh, the combination of seven diamond, eight diamond, and nine diamond. their meaning in combination with other cards. And this video is about, as you already seen, about 10 diamonds. Okay? Well, soon I will make a video again about uh, Jack diamonds in combination with other cards. So um, you have first time to learn about this uh, what I made already, the videos that I made already. And if to refresh your mind, you always can come back to see my previous videos uh, from begin about the cross method of card laying, and then how to shuffle, cut the cards, and lay for a card reading. I do so as I said, um, the meaning of the cards. You know it already, the single cards and their meaning, and then that about 7 act 9 and 10 diamonds in combination with other cards. You have it already. So I hope you enjoy learning, and okay, I wish you good luck, good health, and God bless you. Okay, now um, till the next time. Bye.